Hello, I am Salikur Rahman. I have been working in Chipshow for more than 1 year, and I am here for the technical guidance and solution for all the customers who have any problem or need any easy solution for all the product information. So today we are going to see our C-Lite-Plus 3.91 display cabinet, and we will watch it closely right now, and we can see the details information here. So installation is also fast, so you can see how to install. Just precise the position and push the lock button. And also the power supply cable. So it's connected and now it can be worked properly. So this is from the back side. Just rotate this key right side and it will come down and it's open. And from here just you can take it out. You can see. So this is the key. When we rotate right, it can open, and when we rotate left, it can stuck. So this is the key actually. So right now we will make it precise location and rotate left, and it's done again. So this display cabinet can be disassembled from both sides, from front side and back side. We have already shown how to do it from back side, so now we will do from front side. Just rotate left and it will come out easily. So it's easy. Also when you want to do it assembling, just put it and rotate right side and it is stuck.
Now you can see the number here is in 0 degree. So when we will make it bend inside, it will shape -5 degrees. So that can be maximum -5 degree right now. Also we can make it -10 and 15, but we are showing -5 degree right now. Also we can make it 5 degree other way. So now it is 0 and 5 degree in shape. Also in 10 degree shape, also in 15 degree shape. So the display will be curved as 15 degree. And this is how we can also bend the screen.